This is the introduction video for XINGYING 4. We're starting from the hardware part. The camera was shown at the top, which sat on the tripod head and connect the tripod stand on the ground. The PoE splitter was plugged at the back of the camera. The Ethernet cable can both be the path of power and signal transmission. One side connected to the PoE splitter and another side was connected to the PoE switch. The working principle of our motion capture camera is that, firstly, the infrared light loop around the camera will keep shooting the light. Then, the markers on the object will reflect the infrared light back to the camera and generate the data information in our software. Besides the last two PC Ethernet ports on the PoE switch, other ports can be connected to the cameras. Make sure the mode of PoE switch should be at standard mode as shown. The ready-to-test motion capture area will be like that.